Hello everyone. Today for your GK class, this is going to be a very short class. We will talk about how to keep safety while you travel in a school bus. Because of COVID and the lockdown and our restrictions, right now we are not traveling in a school bus, but it is very important to know some safety rules or some instructions to follow while you travel in a bus, in generally in a bus or specifically in a school bus. So most of you might, when we had school, when you had to come to school, some of you might have come to school with your parents, but some of you might have taken a bus or a school bus. So from next time onwards, when you travel in a bus, please keep these things in your mind. So in this chapter is taken from page number 20 of your textbook, and there are few questions. Once you listen to this class, you will be able to answer those questions. First of all, when the school is over or when you get onto a bus from your home, there are certain things that you should keep in mind. Like if your bus is parked here, stand at least 3 meters away from the bus, because this is called a danger zone. 3 meters front and back and sides of the bus is called a danger zone. You know why? Because the bus might be coming in a they might be having a speed, and there are chances that the driver might not be seeing you if you stand here or here, but they will be able to see you better when you stand 3 meters away. Also, when the door is open, it is very safe if you keep a distance from where the bus is about to stop. So when your class is over, you stand 3 meters away from the bus. And we also told why we are standing 3 meters away, because this side is called a danger zone, so that you have to stand outside the danger zone so that the driver can see you, or when the door is open it won't hit you, and it is very safe to keep a distance from where the bus is parked. So after standing there, once a bus is stopped, once you know that it is safe to get in, how will you get in? If so many students are there to get in, give chance to one at a time. Let one person get inside, then the other person get inside. You all should not rush into the bus together. And even when you get in, take one step at a time. Don't jump, don't skip one step and try to climb sooner to get into the bus or anything. Make use of the railings, hold that, and then get in one by one. Don't avoid steps, but use one step at a time. Now when you're inside a bus, what you should do? Should you be walking around like this, climbing the seats and trying to be here and lying down, standing up? Should you be doing that? No, you should not do that, because the drivers might be they will give a brake and you might fall down, or there are chances when you bend you can fall down, it will hurt you might be hurt. So you're not supposed to run around and play inside a bus. Rather, you sit quietly, or you can even take a nap. You sit there rather than walking around and making a big mess inside the bus. Also, keep your bags next to your seat or on your lap, and keep this space, which is called an aisle, this space empty, so that the driver can see the back mirror and see if some cars are coming from behind or towards the sides or anything. The bag should be kept here or on the seat. If that is an empty seat, you should keep it there. You can also see here, after COVID, when you take a bus or when you go outside, always keep a mask and also keep a distance from each other. Like this boy is sitting here, the other girl is sitting here, there is a gap in between. So you will have to maintain distance and also be very careful. So you are not supposed to run around or sing and play inside a bus. You have to sit quietly. Also, you have to clear these paths, keep your bag next to you or on your lap, and not run around. Now, once you reach your home or once you reach the school, when you get down, look at both sides and see that no vehicles are coming. If you have to cross a road, do not cross the road from behind the bus, the back side of the bus, because the drivers can't see and they might be taking a reverse and it can hit you. So please be careful, look on both sides and make sure that no vehicles are there. If somebody is there to pick you up, give your bag and bottle to them and then hold the railings like you were asked to climb on. Hold the railings and be very careful while you get down also. So these are some of the general instructions that you can keep in mind while you travel in a bus. Be very careful while you get in, be seated when you're inside, and also when you come out, look on both sides and be very careful because accidents can happen at any time. People might be not knowing, people might be not aware that you will be moving around, and also please be very careful when you take any vehicle, not just bus, even if it is car or scooter or the private bus or the transport bus. Be very careful, always be with your parents or your elder ones. Thank you.